Welcome to JH. In this guide, I am going to demonstrate how you can interact with ChatGPT using your voice, allowing the AI to listen to you and speak its responses out loud. The setup is incredibly simple. To start, open a new browser tab and search Google for voice control for ChatGPT. Select the very first link provided, which will take you directly to the Chrome Web Store. Once there, locate the voice control for ChatGPT extension and click the Add to Chrome button to begin the installation. Once the extension is added, go to your browser's extension menu, find Voice Control for ChatGPT, and click the pin icon so it remains easily accessible in your toolbar. Now, navigate back to your ChatGPT tab and refresh the page. You will notice that a new microphone button and a language selection menu have appeared on the interface. You can select the specific language you wish to use for your conversation and toggle the audio response feature on or off. Additionally, the settings menu allows you to pick different voice profiles and adjust the reading speed, ranging from very slow to very fast. I will leave it on the standard setting for now. To use the feature, simply click the microphone icon, and the system will start recording your voice. For example, I will ask it to write a quick apology to my girlfriend for being late to our dinner tonight. The AI will then generate a message and read it back to you, acknowledging the mistake and expressing regret. It even provides helpful advice on the importance of communication and taking responsibility in a relationship. If you need any further assistance, you can just keep the conversation going. That is all there is to it. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful and want to see more tutorials, please leave a comment below, hit the like button, and subscribe to stay updated. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Goodbye.